Hey guys, I'm Ray Pontarelli from Sunshine Auto Detailing, and you're watching Beneath the Surface. Started my detailing business when I was 19. I was currently called by the name of Showroom Shines, and then I did that working throughout, put myself through college, continued working. Then I worked for the government, and then I worked for a private company for a while. But the whole time I did detailing on the side. And then November of 2007, I found Sunshine. The gentleman was retiring. I purchased his company, merged it with mine, and I never looked back and just took off with it. I found out about them. It was probably about the midsummer of 2018. A good friend of mine came, introduced me to it, and I had looked into a couple other companies, but I just didn't feel comfortable with it. I reached out to Joe LaPlante, and I said I wanted to join IGL. And he said, before we even join, he goes, I want to know about you. How long you been in business? What do you do? I want access to your social media. I want access to this. He more or less protected IGL, and that really it resonated with me. Not only did he want to make a sale, but he wanted to know about me and make sure I was worthy enough to be part of IGL. And I said, that's the guy I want to go with. Because not only did he care about making a sale, but he wanted to know who's representing the company. And that meant a lot to me. My overall favorite product has to be Enhancer. I absolutely love that product. It has a number of different uses, different capabilities on all types of vehicles. As far as a memorable product, we had a product here over the summertime called the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. It's a car that goes around the country in the shape of a hot dog, and we were able to bring it in, and we were able to put some IGL on that. So as it traveled the country, it had a little bit of IGL on it as well too. We've been able to do a lot with different police departments, fire departments, and military on special occasions as well as parades. One particular aspect of it is the police motorcycle. I've got nothing but great reviews from all the guys on the motorcycle units. It's easy to maintain. They love the appearance of it, and it just sparkles. It makes their job so much easier because it's better visibility while they're out, higher officer safety, and a better view in the public eye. I absolutely love it. The gloss, the shine to work with. You really got to pay attention over there and sharpen your skills, because we just put it on, it's going to sit. But if you really follow the directions and you look from A to B, when it's all said and done, two different products. I take K1 and K2, the gloss, the shine, the way it beads up and rolls off is so much easier. I love it a lot for it. We're going into our 33rd year in business. Thanks to IGL, the past 3 years are the best 3 years we've had in business. As crazy as that sounds with the pandemic going on, this was our best year yet. The value of the coatings, people don't see it as a number, they see it as a true value. How can we take this object and how can we apply it to put our different circumstances? We can use it in so many other applications. For example, if a person goes over there and does it one time and they're coming every year, they're not going to see the value. But if I can show them how to have long-term value and long-term effects, better aesthetics, ease of maintenance, and increased value to their vehicle, it's a no-brainer. Why not? And they're falling in love with it. As far as that, we also do some commercial ads. We do some print ads as well. We also have branding. When we go out, myself and my staff, we've got our hats and shirts with our logos as well as the IGL logos on them, and just gets people's attention. What is that? I've never seen that symbol before. Can you tell me a little bit about it? I'm a firm believer we have two hands, one to give and one to receive. Every month we pick out a charity event and we help them out. So without having the community, we don't have a business. So I firmly believe by helping the community, we can help them, they help us, and continue to grow the business. Over the years, we've had a lot of great ones. We've had a lot of people come into our shop, some famous people, some actors. We do cars for a certain professional football team here a lot, as well as some sports athletes that come in from different organizations. Slowly by slowly, our name is going from the local community within the city to the state to nationwide. I've been featured in a couple magazines the past couple of years as well. I became a member of SEMA as well as a member of the IDA. by joining both of those, the name and recognition, not only for myself, but the business has grown. As far as difficulties, before you would polish something in the wax, it wouldn't last. Even with the higher grades of wax, you're still looking 6 to 8 months. Now we bring in IGL coatings, and now you're telling the customer it's a true year. And that year, if done right and they maintain it properly, is going to go well beyond a year. Even something as far as Kenzo is going to go well beyond the 5 years. If the product is properly well maintained and they follow directions, it's amazing. What I enjoy about it most is the ease of maintenance, and something that's been said a lot, and I have to agree with the rest of the team, family. No matter what, the family's got your back. If you got a question, reach out. They have an answer. Whether it's been asked 1 time or 100 times, they're still going to give you an honest answer. It did, actually. I'm a person that likes to ask a lot of questions, and you can ask Joel, Jeff, and Marcus. I was asking them all kinds of questions from the beginning, and those gentlemen have been wonderful. I want to say thank you to them too, because this past year they also asked me to join the mentorship team. And it was a great honor as well. Being able to give back and help somebody else out, because I know what it was like being in those shoes. How do you start out? What do you do with this product? And after 3.5, 4 years now working with the product, I feel I got a good grasp on it and being able to teach some of the other ones. Plus, it can take some of the pressure off those guys too, from getting the questions all the time. And again, not just myself, but they have a tremendous team. All the mentors that are on here, they're all willing to help, no matter what time of day it is. Doesn't matter. Somebody's always there to lend a hand. On the horizon over here, currently looking for a new building. We've kind of outgrown the building we are right now. We're roughly about 1,100 square feet, so we're looking to get about 5,000 to 10,000 square feet in the new shop. We just launched our new gift card loyalty program, so it's a reusable and reloadable card that not only has the IGL on it, but our detailing as well, so customers can come in. We also aligned ourselves with Detail Bookie, and we've got a few new things lined up for the spring and summer of 2022. There's not much break time for me, but when there is, I like to go to the gym. I love to go for a nice bike ride, go out in the nature, go on a bike path, take some time off over there, relax. I'm a big sports fan. I love to go to live events, music, and coming from an Italian family, I love to cook. All the products, like I stated before, Enhancer is one of my favorites. Glass is an amazing product as well, too, over there. And just, if I can convey anything, don't be just a one-shop product. Use the whole line. Use wheel, use glass, use Enhancer, use Premier, use leather, use trim. Because not only are the products working, the customers are going to fall in love with it. And at the end of the day, it's going to help your bottom line. Make sure you read the directions. It's great to ask questions, but the directions are there for a reason. Read the directions, use the QR code, scan it, follow it up, watch the videos, because you're going to forget something along the way. Learn it for yourself firsthand, and then try the application out. Friends and family have been big supporters of me throughout the year. So to all my friends and family, thank you for the support. I truly appreciate it. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you back in the shop. Also to the BL family, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for your trust. Jeff, Joel, and Marcus, Jen, you guys are amazing.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.